I bought this to set it up for my kid to have it on her desk and do some thing. Okay. As usual, the box package is bigger. That is multifunctional box foldable mobile phone holder with remote control. And that's how the box on the image. Full light, two side, free high angle shoot. This is how it's supposed to be. 3 hours, foldable, 130 centimeter, full angle shot. And that's how you can position it up straight. You can bend that and you can fold it and put it in the box. That's the box, pretty much is the same. This is not a brand new one, this is nearly new, which I choose from Amazon warehouse. It's almost like 10 pounds less than the normal price. So we're going to see how good is the Amazon warehouse product when compared to the new product. So this is nearly new, not the new. So you can see that it got torn here and then they put a cello tape here. But otherwise, for now there is no damage visibly I can see. So let's try to open and see what's the condition of this inside. Okay, that's the first piece. Came out. And that looks in a very good condition. Nothing bad in it. Look at that. It's a USB-C cable from USB-A cable. USB-A to USB-C. Now let's take out the product. So there's nothing in the box. There are different positions where you can, or how to open it and then lift it. Okay, let's try to open it and check it up. So the safety package is good. So they protect it like a very high quality product. It's heavy. It's so heavy. It's just this packaging. And the pack feels premium pack. Okay. That is the product itself. There is a USB-C connector. There is 2 buttons here to push it. Looks like to clip and open. That's a light. And you can see here on something is written there. Push forward to open. Do not open upward by force. So they said push forward to open, do not pull upward. They said don't pull it. They said to push it forward. So let's try to push it. That locks it and opened. That is a bit shaky. Okay. Oh, that's not. That is good actually. Look at that. That's better than I expected. Tighten it. It comes to the front and goes back. Okay. It's like this, and then we can still open this like this. So it goes straight, and the phone holder is here. Okay, that's the phone holder, and you could rotate this. So the idea is to have phone here this is to keep it hold. Once you tighten this one, it doesn't shake. That's the reason it's there. And then let's try to pull it out. What is that? Okay, there is a bend here. You can see, you can bend it here. So the whole product can go bend, and then it can go upside down as well, like this. You can have your phone here. So you guys can see what's happening. You can do your product videos or anything. And that is a remote. That's fancy. I'm gonna switch off all the lights. And there is a yellow light, yellow shade, light yellow, dark yellow, and white, bright white. I'm going to try use it and take a couple of videos and see how this works, and I will try to post the results. If it is actually useful or not useful, I'll come back to you guys on this one. That is how it looks. But overall, if you look into this, it's a bit shaking, and my kid easily put this out, so it's a little shaky, wobbling as well. Not that great. I won't be preferring to keep it on my daughter's desk.